guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the new OnePlus 7 Pro Mirror Gray with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 storage. Brand new. That's alright. Are you excited to see this new Mirror Gray OnePlus 7 Pro? I'm sure you've seen the Nebula Blue, but let's see this beautiful Mirror Gray. There you go. Regular packing, of course. And we have here alright. So this is Mirror Gray OnePlus 7 Pro, and now let's turn this baby on. Wow, it looks really beautiful in hands, and it's pretty amazing. I thought the Nebula Blue looks beautiful, but no, this Mirror Gray looks even better. Amazing. It feels really good in hand. Yeah, OnePlus did a really good job this time. It came with this pop-up camera. There you go. Alright. Of course, the warp charger. Pretty excited for this. And USB cable. And if I'm not mistaken, I think they have a case over here too. Yeah, that's one good thing I like about OnePlus. They did ship out the case with the phone. There you go. Beautiful. Yeah, it's a pretty nice case though. There we go.